Welcome back to Vahrenberg Implement, and today we're here with a 3-pack of Massey Ferguson GC series tractors, and we got something cool to show you. We have a GC 1723E with the loader here. We have the GC 1723EB with the backhoe, and then we've got a GC 1725MB with the backhoe, loader, and we've added the mid-mount mower. These two backhoe, the 23EB and 25MB, are getting ready to leave to its new home, so we wanted to shoot a quick little video to show you a cool product that you can add to your GC series tractor. It is a product from retailREMS, and we will put the link down below where you can order these. If you're in West Central Missouri, you can come get them right here at Vahrenberg Implement. We got them in stock. They're a step. This is a pretty good step up here to get up to the GC series tractor, especially as you age or you got bad legs. And what this does is attaches this bracket to the tractor, and we're going to show you how simple and easy it is to do, and not only on the left side, but we'll show you something else too. What you'll need is to order the step from retailREMS. Man, this sucker is heavy duty. Look at the thickness of that thing. Comes with the bolts, but look at the attention to detail. The tread on here, he's stamped these out and got tread on here to make it heavy duty. All you have to do is pretty simple here. Pull these two bolts. You're gonna pull these two bolts out of it. Put it right here. Put the washer and the nut on the back side. This will work with tractors with loaders, tractors with backhoes. We're going to show you it all today here at Vahrenberg Implement. And we're actually going to tighten her up to. What you'll need is a 19mm wrench. And I've got a 19mm impact here. Makes my life a lot easier. So all you got to do is put that up. And if you keep your wrench on, and voila, you have a step. Look how simple this is. You can come right up here, you can grab the loader up and on your tractor, ready to go use it. Dismount, and let's go to the other side. retailREMS actually makes a right and a left hand step. This is a right hand step that fits right in those bolts there. Same exact thing with that super heavy duty design, dimpled for traction. See them dimples there? I mean, put it on your tractor. It'll even work if you got a mid-mount mower. We're going to slip over here. This one's sold, so we're not going to install it on there, but I can show you what to do. These two bolts here with the loader bracket, these bolts are actually a little bit longer. The hardware retailREMS sends is a little bit longer to incorporate the step on this bracket. So all you have to do is take these two bolts out, install the two new bolts, washers and nuts that come with it, and you put that step right on there. This deck is in the highest position right now, so it's got plenty of room. Allows you to step up over your deck instead of having to step on the deck, and adds a little, make it a little easier to get on your Massey Ferguson GC series tractor. It's GC 1725M, the 23E with the loader, or the backhoe versions. It works with all of them, even if you don't have a loader on it. Well, you're gonna have to have a loader because you got to have the mid-mount, you got to have the loader bracket. A tractor only will not work with this step. The tractor loader backhoe versions will. So I hope that helped you learn a little bit about a cool new accessory available at Vahrenberg Implement for your Massey Ferguson tractors. It's from retailREMS. Give Mark a holler. He builds a lot of cool stuff, and we're going to do more videos on. He's got the Sentinel skid plate. If you're in rough service area, it will protect that filter, that drive shaft area. There's a cooling fan up here. Keep stuff from coming up underneath here and getting in, and could damage your tractor. And don't forget, if you're in West Central Missouri, come visit us here at Vahrenberg Implement, the home of Massey Ferguson in the Kansas City metro area. Business 13, Missouri 13. Just a 4 short miles north of Interstate 70. Just 49 miles from the Missouri-Kansas line, and approximately 35 miles from the stadium where the Royals and the Kansas City Chiefs play. Just east of Kansas City. We don't have a lot of tractors. We're working trying to get stuff back. We got 3 in, 2 sold, 1 stock unit. So our stock inventory went up 33% because we got an extra tractor in. Wonder how long this one's gonna last. Make sure you accessorize it with cool products available like this step from retailREMS. It's gonna sure make your life easier, especially when you get old, fat, and got bad knees.